Hey there, Susan here from Easy Food Dehydrating. I wanted to show you the great deal that I got off Amazon by Wevac. For a single 8-inch by 50-foot roll, it was about $17. And then next to it was get an 8-inch and an 11-inch wide by 50 feet each rolls for $1 more. Oh, that's a no-brainer, right? So here you go. There's your 11-inch roll. I've already opened it. Right. Whee. What you need to do is write on the smooth side what's on it, because that's what I like about the fact that these do not have the white strip on it that the FoodSaver brand does, because the white strip tended to stick to the heating element and you had to wipe that off every now and then, keep it clean so that it would seal properly, right? And there's your 8-inch, right? 11-inch and 8-inch by 50 feet long. For an extra $1, you get a roll. So that's by Wevac on Amazon, and I love it. I think they're great. You can make the exact size depth of bag that you need. So you'd cut it, seal it, and then put your stuff in, put your oxygen absorber in if needed, then vacuum seal it, and away you go. All right, thanks for watching.